We know about critical mass, critical instant, and critical climate. We hear less often about critical space. There is no easy reason for this, unless perhaps it is because we have not yet assimilated relativity, the very notion of space-time. And yet space, or critical extension, has become ubiquitous because of the acceleration of means of communication that collapsed the Atlantic, the Concorde, reduced France to a square of an hour and a half on each side, the Airbus, or, yet again, tell us that the high-speed train, TGV, wins time over time. These different slogans from the world of publicity indicate exactly how much we inherit old ideas of geophysical space. These advertisements also tell us, to be sure, that we are their innocent victims. Today we are beginning to realize that systems of telecommunication do not merely confine extension, but that, in the transmission of messages and images, they also eradicate duration or delay. In the shift from the revolution of modes of transportation in the 19th century to the revolution of electronic communication in the 20th century, there emerge a mutation and a commutation that affect public and domestic space so strongly that we are hard put to determine what its reality may be. When technologies of telemarketing replace those of the classical era of television, we begin to witness how the premises of an urbanization of real time follow on the heels of the premises of an urbanization of a real space. Because of interactive teletechnologies, the teleport, this abrupt transfer of technology moves from the arrangement of the infrastructures of real space, maritime ports, railway stations, airports, to the control of the environment in real time. Critical dimensions are also being renewed. The question of the real moment of instantaneous telemarketing is effectively refashioning philosophical and political issues that traditionally had been based on notions of utopia and utopia. The shift is being made for the advancement of what has already been called teletopia, which carries manifold paradoxes that take, for example, the following form: reach out and touch someone, or even, to be telepresent, meaning to be here and elsewhere at the same time. This so-called real-time is essentially nothing other than real space-time, since different events surely take place, even if, finally, this place constitutes that of the known place of teletopical technologies, such as the interface of human and machine, a regime or nodal point of teletransmissions.